scare you? Howdy, partner. I gotta tell you something. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make lo mein the right way. Oh, yeah! I'm okay. When it comes to making lo mein, you're gonna need some rice. It's as simple as that. What rice is that? White rice complements the lo mein. Lo mein complements the white rice. Vice versa. And all that stuff. It's awesome. It warms my heart quite so. Composure. Okay, this is where you put your towel. You put your towel on your right shoulder. You can also do it on your left shoulder too. You can also put it around your neck like this. You can also put your towel like right here. Oh my God! I'm so proud of myself. I had a small victory. Okay, let's have the ingredients now, okay? Fettuccine. Put it down right there. Soy sauce. The only kind of sauce you can have. And there's other ingredients too. You need garlic, ginger, sesame seed oil, rice vinegar! Is there anything else I'm forgetting? Oh yeah, you can also have vegetables too. You could have green onions if you want. You could put carrots in your lo mein. You could put mushrooms in your lo mein. You could put horseradish in there. That's a gross spice. What? I'm getting things assorted. What does it look like I'm doing? Yeah. Okay, anyway, got my ingredients for my lo mein. By the way, I'm making 2 videos while I'm just doing one cooking thing. In this one cooking thing, I'm actually making orange chicken and lo mein together. So if for some reason this video kind of doesn't make sense, that's because, well, you know, just work with me here, okay? Thank you! Thank you! Thank you so much. Let me bow. This ain't your normal cooking show. Okay guys, I think this is a perfect time for me to explain to you the different ingredients I'm doing. Keep in mind that I'm making 2 different videos off of one night of me cooking, so this might look a little weird. Okay, orange chicken people, right over here. Lo mein people over here. This is an orange chicken video. I'm going to be right here. If this is a lo mein video, I'm going to be over here. So here we go. Hey lo mein people! Here are the ingredients for lo mein. Noodles. I picked... Here's the rice. I shouldn't talk on rice. That's much better. Noodles. I picked fettuccine noodles. I get these noodles at a grocery store. You'll probably be able to find them at a grocery store near you. That's a random bowl. You'll need soy sauce, sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, ground ginger, garlic powder, chicken stock. I'm thinking of anything else. Yeah, that's what you'll need. And of course, you'll need, vegetables to put into your lo mein. And for this course, mushrooms, already cut, stuff like that. I didn't feel like going out into a field and picking a field of mushrooms. More than likely, I would have got the wrong ones and it would have killed me. Carrots! You can get these at a garden near you or at a grocery store. It's easier if you get at a grocery store. Kind of pre-cut too makes it easier as well. Can you hear that? The water is boiling. I'm now going to add rice to that boiling water. But due to government restraint, I can't show you that. So, we're going to have to skip ahead. Hey, lo mein people. Alright. I'm going to boil the noodles. What you'll need is water. You will need to put water in a pot pan, kind of like this. Once the water reaches a boil, you can add the noodles in there. Kind of like that. And then a boil. Do its thing. While it's doing its thing like that, you're going to get some of that seasoning action going on. Add that chicken stock. I do a half a can of chicken stock in the bowl. It's better to use a bowl for these things rather than a plate. You're gonna thank me later. Just saying. And then you're gonna add some soy sauce to it. Add a little bit of sesame seed oil, like a teaspoon or whatever. Just a little bit of sesame seed oil. This is powerful stuff. You add too much, it's gonna taste like shit. Rice vinegar, about 1.5 tablespoons. This about like a half a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons, something like that. Look, I just wing it when I cook. Then I taste, because that's what real chefs do. And then they add a little more flavoring, and then they taste. Add a little more flavoring, and then they taste. Until it just comes out, good. Yeah. Ginger. Gonna add ginger in there. Garlic powder. And then I'm gonna add pepper. No salt. Why? There's enough salt already is in soy sauce. Along with this chicken stock, it has a good amount of salt in it. So you don't need to add salt. You already have too much salt already as is with the stupid soy sauce and with the stupid chicken stock that they had way too much salt. So don't add salt, but add pepper. You're gonna need some black pepper in there, and it's better to get black pepper that's been pre-grounded up. You know, the kind of stuff that you get at the grocery store near you. Yeah, that's the best kind. You don't want to actually buy like black pepper where then you're gonna have to put it through this grinding process to get it to be fine like this or like this. I mean, you know, garlic powder. I like to use garlic powder because it's the easy way. If you actually get garlic and then you have to get these cloves and then mince the garlic and all that stuff, too much work. And guess what? This is lazy cooking with Chef K. We use garlic powder. Not garlic! Get that through your head! Yeah! Cooking the noodles, you take the fork. Lo mein people. Add the noodles. Wood spoon for good luck. Stir it a little bit. Just like that. Just that easy.